Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, the question says that albinism is a rare genetic disorder or condition occurring in only 1 in 17,000 to 22,000 individuals in the world. Now, on the basis of this, we have been asked certain questions. First one is, what can you conclude about the allelic frequency of A allele globally? So the frequency of A allele globally can be estimated using the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, as we know that the frequency of albinism is 1 among 17,000 to 22,000 individuals. And let's take the average of these numbers, which is 1 in, so average numbers, 1 in 19,500, the average of these two numbers. So according to the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, the frequency of AA genotype is equal to the Q square, where Q is the peak and the Q is the frequency of A allele. So which means that the Q square is equal to 1 among 19,500. So Q will be under root 1 upon 19,500, which is equal to 0.0071. So this represents the allelic frequency of A allele. Another question asked is, what do you think that the A allele is would be more commonly found among heterozygotes, which is AA, or homozygotes, which is AA? The allele, the A allele would be more commonly found in heterozygotes, which is AA. This is because this AA genotype allows carriers to have normal pigmentation, while in case of homozygote AA results in albinism. So since albinism is rare condition, it is most likely that the allele is present in the heterozygote state, while it does not cause albinism. So its frequency is more commonly found in heterozygote A. Another question asked is, what happens to the individual who is albino, which is homozygous recessive, or who has very low or lacks melanin pigments in the hair, skin, and eyes? So an individual who is albino or has a very low or lacks melanin pigments in the hair, skin, and eyes will have a range of symptoms and challenges, as these may include vision problem such as nystagmus, which is the involuntary eye movements, or strabismus, which is the crossed or misaligned eyes, or photophobia, which is sensitivity to light, and they may also have an increased risk of sunburn and skin cancer due to lack of melanin, which provides some protection against the sun's harmful ray. Another question asked is based on our answer in previous question, which is C. How would you explain the frequency of A allele? The frequency of A allele can be explained by the fact that it is a recessive trait, meaning that it is only expressed when the individual have two recessive copies, which means that it has an AA genotype. Since the phenotype associated with the A allele is albinism, is a rare and can cause various health and social challenges, and there is likely some selective pressure against this allele. However, the allele can still be maintained in the population through heterozygous carriers, which is AA, which do not express the albinism phenotype but can pass the allele onto their offspring. This allows the A allele to be persistent in the population at low frequency. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.